Are you a business owner struggling to manage your business using multiple tools, one for accounting, another for CRM, different one for HR and payroll, and so on? Then don't go anywhere. This video is for you. My name is Jackson. Today, I want to show you how to use Seriecorn, the all-in-one cloud-based business management software that brings everything including accounting, CRM, HR, payroll, invoicing, inventory, sales, and more into one streamlined platform. With Seriecorn, there is no more juggling disjointed tools, no more duplicated data, and no more paying for multiple software. Work with me, let's explore how Seriecorn works and how to use it to manage your entire business workflows. So this is Seriecorn landing page. So as a user, the first thing you need to do to use Seriecorn is to create an account. And to create an account, open any browser on your phone or computer and type www.seriecorn.com. Once you type that, you will be redirected to this landing page. On this landing page, you can click on the login button to log in if you already have an account, or click on the start a free 30-day trial to create an account if you don't have an account already. So I will click the start a free 30-day trial. So here you can fill out all the form here to create your account, your business account. So but because I already have an account, we just click on the login. So on this login, I will input my login details to log into the dashboard and show you how the dashboard, how it works and use it for business. So um so here is the dashboard. So this is how Silicon dashboard looks. So this is the CFO dashboard. Under the dashboard, the general dashboard, you can see the CFO dashboard. So this CFO dashboard is chief CFO means chief financial officer. The chief financial officer will get to see the summary of the financial summary of your business, the total revenue, total expenses, total stock, uh, total employees, cash inflow, cash outflow, cash balance, return on investment, debt equity ratio, current ratio, equities, liabilities, assets, uh, so and all of that. Um, so then you also get to see sales dashboard. So you see your daily sales, here. Uh, so these are my daily sales. You can see I've made some sales today. So you see your sales in last 30 days. So this gets it. So then you see for current financial year. So like this now May, month of May, I made sales. This was my sales. Month of June, this is my sales. So and you see your total sales, total discount, total tax added, and you can also see your expenses. So total expenses, today's expenses, expense records, 4 entries, um, approved expenses, 26,000 naira. So I've entered for that is why I got 26,000. Pending expense I don't have. So this expense I've never made any sales today. I've never made any expenses today. Sorry. Uh, Total expenses 26,500 naira I've got. So that is for the general dashboard. Now we have the accounting section. So this accounting section, like under accounting, we have inventory. So the inventory, you can add your items. So these are all the items I've added. You can click here. You can import items and you can add new. Let me click on the new. So you can add new. You can add the name of the item, the model. So everything you can create an account to use it and see how it works. So let me go back. So here you can also print all your stocks, or you can download them in case you want them in a paper, you want to send any whatever reason you want to print it. So that is it. Then you can update stock. You can click on update stock. So here you come here, you can add the total stock you bought. You can even update the prices, all of that. You can update the name, you can update the serial number, you can all of that. So that is it. And so this is the stock on hand, cost price, sales price. So we have a invoicing and sales. So under invoicing and sales, we have invoice 6. You can create new invoice. You can import invoices. So like these are all the ones I've created. You can register. It's free for 30 days, and you can visit and use all of these things and create your invoice and all of that. So we have sales receipt and all of that. So even you can create new sales, you can also import. I've not actually created any receipt here. So point of sales. So this is point of sales. I've created. I've made sales through point of sales pending because I choose pending. So like that, and this is your shop front. You can go to your shop front, and you can also import your any point of sales data that maybe from another software. You can import it here. So like this is your shop front. Sorry, the reason you are not seeing pictures is because I didn't add pictures to my product when I was uploading them. When I was adding them, like hiding the item, I didn't upload pictures. That's why the images, that's why you're not seeing it. But you can add to cart, you can add to cart, and all of that. You can even check out. So to check out, you can add, choose payment method. You can choose the customer. If the customer is not there, you can add the customer. Look at it. So like that, you can add the customer. Now you'll be returned. So this is the paid amount, the total, and all of that. So that is it. Then you can go back and under, as we said, under invoice. Then you have QR code. This QR code is also important for especially people that has a retailers, restaurant, uh, pharmacies, and all of that that have a working shops. So you can encourage your customers to scan this QR code to instantly make an order. So they can serve themselves, customers can serve themselves, customers can order the product by themselves. So click the, he said you should click this button to print the QR code image and paste anywhere around your store for your customers to easily scan it and make an order. So that is it. So now under this, under accounting, we also have expense, that is expenses. So these expenses you can create new expense, export, you can export to PDF, export to Excel and all of that. So that is it. And for this also, use our platform is free of charge for 30 days, so you can register and start using it. So while you are using it, you get to discover new features that we're going to push, we're going to add. Under CRM, we have messaging, so we also call it email marketing. So you can get to send single or bulk emails to your customers. So all your leads, you will see them here, and you can send emails or SMS to your customer. But currently, it's email you can send. So that is it. We have HRs. Under HR, we have employees. So you can add employees or manager, whichever name you decide to call them. So like that. Then we have inside, we have project, we have integration. So like sales report. So here you see all your sales like gross revenue, cost of product, number of sales, profit. You get insight of all of that, profit and loss. So you see, I've made expenses of this, cost of sales, revenue, cost of sales, expenses, discount, then net earning before tax. This is it. You get to see. You can even decide to choose see for all your business locations and all of that. So best selling product, you also get to see best selling products. Like here, I have this one. I sold nine. I sold four. I sold two. So you get to see, and here you get to see customer performance report. You see the customers that are buying more from you. This guy has bought 10 already from me, and I've made so amount. So you get to give them a shout out so they will continue to come back to buy from you. And credit report, if there's anyone is owing you, you get to see like this guy is owing me, although he has paid, because that is what is recorded here. The credit status shows that he has paid, and if the ones that has not paid, we see it here also to follow up on them and all of that. So expense report, you get to see your expense report here. So these are my expense report, like amount and all of that, for purpose, for utility bills, name. So as total expense 15,000 naira and all of that. So for this expense report, now let's go back to stock level report. You get to see your stock level. Now this system also sends you emails. It sends you email when your stock is going down. The default is 5. When your stock is going down, once it's 5, you receive email that your stock is going down. So this is a sales price, cost price, initial stocks, current stock. You see the initial stock, you see current stock, which is a stock that is remaining. Now, there was something I forgot to show you under the invoicing and sales. So under the invoices, so you can create new invoice. This is it. So here you can create new invoices. So you add the product, you can choose the product, you can add quantity. Now, this price, you can even update the price, because sometimes maybe due to inflation, the price must have changed. You can add as many products as you can add, as you want to add. Then you can choose the customer. If the customer is not recorded already, you can add the customer and all of that. So you can choose dates, the date, due date. You can add attachment if there is any attachment. You can add the employee that is selling it. You can add the employee if the employee is not recorded already, and you can choose shipping method, shipping status, shipping fee, payment method, currency, naira or dollar, memo, payment terms, and all of that. So and you will click checkout. You can register to see how it works, to have a feel of it, and start using it for your business. So the same thing for the sales receipts. So you can also create and you can import and all of that. So that is it. So this is how our platform works. Please register with us and use our platform. Use it. You don't need to pay. You don't put your card details, your credit card. It's just register free of charge. Use it for the next 30 days. Use it in the next 30 days. See how it works and see if it is what you need for your business. Then if it is what you need, then you can subscribe. You can come to this subscription part and you can upgrade your subscription and all of that. So that is how it works. Thank you for staying with me, and bye for now.